Morning all. I've got a Golf here that's got lots of lights on it. I know the ignition's not on at the minute. It came in with coil light flashing, EML light on. Not in a good way. It wasn't in a good way. So I diagnosed that on Saturday. Let's zoom out a little bit. I diagnosed it on Saturday. The throttle body is knackered. Now you're going to say in the comments, diesels don't have throttle bodies. We'll call it a throttle valve, anti-shudder valve, whatever you want to call it, it's throttle valve. So I've replaced that, and you need to do basic settings on them. So I thought, let's fucking do it. Let's bring it on camera. And it's fixed, isn't it? So we'll do a scan. It's been one of them mornings already, guys. So yeah, in the comments, some thoughts and some, I don't know, some get G me up if you can in the comments, whatever you can. All good fun. So we're going to get rid of obviously the I've done a cam belt and water pump on it as well. It gives you this. Open the bonnet, as you can see, it's open. She's a tune and all. Ma, oh. Ma, oh. There you go. Alright, you've got to put up with my really bad singing as well. So that's, we had that, it was active as well. It was proper kaput. I do need to set the time on it as well, because it's definitely not 6:59 in the morning. It's just not. It's not. Right, so I need to adapt the throttle. And I'm hoping I'm going to find it on here. No. Bleed cooling circuit though. I do need to do that. I have filled it up with the oh fucking hell, coolant bleeder that I showed on the channel the other day. So it's either going to be in basic settings or adaptions. It's in basic settings. It's going to be on here, isn't it? There's loads of stuff I can have a look at. Loads of stuff I can do. I just need to find throttle. We'll find it, guys. We'll find it. Be on here somewhere, won't it? Every day's a school day. Usually I use Otis. There we go. Throttle adaptation. Let's give it a go here. Let it do its thing. Let it run. Let it run. Finished correctly. Done. Easy as that. Done. Bit of an anticlimax out, wasn't it? Sorry. But yes, I've diagnosed the throttle. There you go. I've just basic set it. So it's all golden, baby. So clear the codes. Got to run it up anyway. Coolant bleed. And then she's another Golf fixed and on the road. Bit of an odd video, this one, guys. I just like to bring you along sometimes for these little nuggets that I do. Just little bits that you don't see done when we're fitting parts all day long. You don't get to see the adaptation, the basic set, the coding, that kind of thing that does make these components work. That being said, have a cracking Wednesday. And I'll see you all in the next one. Love you, bye.